Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace limit reach step by step. Running into a limit reach message on Facebook Marketplace? Don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when you've hit your weekly posting cap, which is often around 10 listings per week, especially in the Philippines. The easiest fix is to simply remove old or unnecessary listings. To do that, open the marketplace, tap your profile icon next to the magnifying glass, then go to your listings, find the item you no longer need, tap the three dots beside it, and hit delete. This frees up space for new posts. To increase your listing limit in the future, focus on your focus on building trust. Complete your profile, verify your identity if prompted, and engage genuinely in buy and sell groups. Over time, consistent positive activity can raise your posting cap automatically. And here's a pro tip: if you sell regularly, switch to a business or professional page. Verified accounts often enjoy higher posting limits and access to better selling tools. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.